Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to talk about how you can make $1 really fast online. I'm talking 24 to 48 hours. If you need $1 now and you need it fast and you have a PayPal account, then there are a couple options that I want you to check out. These are 100% legitimate, as all of my videos like to inform. So that being said, let's begin. Alright, let's start with the first one here. It's free cash. People love this on the Reddit Beer Money subreddit. A lot of great ways to make money. $1 in a day is not a problem at all. $5 to $10 a day, pretty easy as well. You can look at all the ways to earn on the side here. They have signing up, there's games, there's apps, there's surveys, there's all kinds of ways to do it. And you can sign up, and when you do so, you follow the link in the description, you can win up to $250 by opening a case. They also have a leaderboard. They're striving to be one of the better GPT-like sites on the internet, and I can see why. There's lots of ways to earn here. When it comes time to cash out, they have so many great ways to cash out. The great thing is that payments can start at 25 cents, but if it's PayPal that you want, you do need $5. But if you want other options such as Bitcoin and crypto, you only need 25 to 50 cents depending on what you take here, but other options too, Amazon and so forth if you don't want the cash. But the PayPal cash, I know it's $5 minimum, but it only takes usually an hour or two just dinkering around. That's not a problem at all when it comes time to cash out. Right here, most withdrawals take only 5 to 10 minutes. So if you can earn that money on the surveys and it shows up in your account, PayPal be in your account within 10 minutes. So that's great. So you check this out. Again, I'm going to tell you a little bit about some other sites too. Whatever one's sound of interest, you can sign up for all of them if you want. Just follow the link in the description. Let's go with number 2 here. This is Survey Junkie, one of the biggest companies in the industry. They focus solely on surveys. This is a desktop version, but they also have a mobile app as well. You do need $5 to cash out, but they have so many surveys throughout the day. Every point's worth a penny. So if you took this one, 9 minutes, 75 cents. You won't qualify for all the surveys, but a lot do pop up. It's one of the better ones that I have seen. Again, you'll never get rich with these survey sites, so keep that in mind. But if you're looking for that $1 a day, $5 a day, very easy here. And you can have 6 minutes for $2.50. That's pretty quick. So if you qualify for that one, as well as this one, you're well into your way for the $5. And the great thing is once you cash out, most of the time your reward is instant. But some situation they do require additional verification, such as a brief phone call or just need to verify your identity. That's pretty standard in the industry. So as long as you're not doing anything shady, this is a great one to sign up. I know I'm talking about making $1, but $5 is pretty quick on here. Just keep logging in and doing a couple surveys. And again, you won't get rich, but if you're looking for that quick money, this is another one to consider. Here's another one I like. It's called Instant GC, as the name proclaims. It's instant gift cards. They have a variety of things to do here. They have apps, surveys you can do, tasks, and so forth. They work with a lot of third-party offer walls. And what this means is these companies provide them with surveys and whatnot, and then you fill it out. They get paid, and then they share profit. So I usually go to the surveys page and click on the Instant GC logo here, and you can see a variety of options that'll start to pop up, and every point's worth a penny, so that's pretty easy to remember. You can try to find some surveys that are worth your time, and you won't qualify for every survey. So for example, this one right here, I see a 5 minute for 80 cents. That's not too bad. Keep scrolling through, look for the bigger ones. And if you want to filter, you can do so up top here. Just click on the high points. So this one, you just have to ask yourself if $10 is worth, or 10 minutes is worth $1 of your time. For me, I would say that's a no. This one could be maybe a yes, 80 points for 5 minutes and so forth. When it comes time to cash out, they have a variety of ways to do so, but they also have other rewards such as PayPal. And you can see here, you only need 100 points to redeem. Redeem for $1, and you'll get your points instantly as long as you're verified to the system and you have a verified PayPal account. And again, only $1, so you can cash out for your $1 pretty quick. And this is a very reputable site. I've been using it on and off here and there for years, and it's one of the better ones that you may enjoy using. Last one here I want to mention is Swagbucks. One I mention a lot too. It's one of the bigger in the industry. In fact, it's probably the biggest survey company in the industry. A lot of ways to earn. Great thing is when you go to the rewards page here, they do have options that start at $1, including gift cards mainly, but they also have PayPal. But if you want to earn $1 instantly, I don't know how you want to earn it. Amazon, they do have a $1 gift card there. And in order to earn it, it's as simple as answering survey questions, completing offers. I mainly focus on the offers, but if you want to do surveys, that's fine. That's not going to cost you any money. I like to sort it by the amount. Right now, they're having a bonus time when I'm doing this video. And right here, this survey right here alone will pay $9 if I qualify for 11 minutes of my time. 8 minutes for 19 minutes of my time. So both of these could be potentially good. There's also some featured ones here. You have a $9, $6, and so forth. And they do have some of the higher paying surveys as well. Sometimes I like to look at the time to complete as well, put the short ones on top. So for example, I might do this 11-minute one for almost $9. If I qualified, that's pretty good. I could cash out. The great thing about Swagbucks is most of their payments are pretty close to instant, especially when you move yourself up in the ranks. If it is your first time, payments usually come within 24 hours. Very reputable site. They've paid out hundreds of millions of dollars. And again, I like the surveys, but I do like the offers a little better because you can make a lot more, and sometimes it doesn't even require that much time. So I highly recommend you check out the trending now, and I have videos on this as well as posts on LushDollar if you want to check it out. So that's going to wrap it up. As always, go to LushDollar.com. I have hundreds of ways to make money and guides such as this. If you're looking to make money instantly, or you want to make hundreds of dollars doing something else, or maybe potentially find a full-time job, I've created this website as well as channels for me, to be honest. And I want to be different from most people who are out there. I'm not going to promote any guides or anything like that. I just want to show you what you can do and what the potential is. Some people like that. So as always, thanks for watching. I'll keep adding as much as I can. That's going to do it for now. See you guys next time.